All right. Dialogue role B practice. That means you'll take the role of B. Nang lihala B kinungje ala adim long le nang likupiman B kinungje la le nungje noi nearly A
Yeah.
bang nungje. Okay, take the role of A. I'll speak the words spoken by A and you. You hodake talk dolo lage nang li lo.
Mm.
You have to speak
Yes.
these words. Okay, so let's practice. I'll start with A. I'll say A. The word spoken by A, and you say the word spoken by B. Okay, let's start. Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name Tom's. What's your name?
Good. I'm Jim. Where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham. How about you?
I'm from Spain. Okay, all right. Now, gap fill. Ada ketap. There will be some missing words. You have to fill up the words. Okay. Mo bangge
Yes.
langding siketog. You by looking now, some words will be missing, but you have to fill up the gap and say the complete sentences. Okay. So we'll start again. Hello, it's nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name Tom's. What's your name?
My name's Tom. Nice to meet you too. My name's Tom. What's your name? Okay. I'm Jim. Where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham. How about you?
I'm from Spain. I'm from Birmingham. How about you? Okay. I'm from Spain. Okay, right. Now again, you take the role of A. I'll say the word
Mm.
spoken by B. Okay, that's you. Okay, start.
Hello, nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you too. My name's Tom. What's your name?
My name's James. Where are you from?
I'm from Birmingham. How about you?
I'm from Spain.
Okay. Okay, good. Fantastic. So now we'll go to another topic. Kapre ka topic lang daming na. Now, the second unit is about personal information. Personal information means the place you live in, your age. If they go on introducing one another, if they go on talking, then more and more they'll tell themselves about the personal things, like hanke personal information polo. Konat sige dolo, okay, karta kon, all these things. Okay, so this is called personal information, and we'll do this now. So this is what. Let's listen to the model dialogue. Okay, konat si nang hem konat lo. That is, this is the question. Okay, where do you live? Okay, where do you live means it's the place where you live. Konat sige dolo. So where do you live? I live in London. How about you? I live near Brighton. Okay, so listen. Where are you? Where do you live? I live in London. How about you? I live near Brighton. Okay, so this line, where do you live? Where do you live? Okay, okay. So here the verb is live. Where do you live? Okay, so here the answer to this will be I live in London. And say I live in Diffu or I live in Mumbai. Okay, whatever it may be. Okay, you have to tell the name of the city that you live in. Nang li wrong su PMN na tanang pamate wrong la chok. I live jong si amena bang. If the place is not famous, something like you're talking to someone
Mm.
outside Assam, and if you live in village called Delhi. And if that person doesn't know Delhi, then say, I live Delhi near Diffu. Okay, near Diffu it will be. Or if you are going away from, if you are going far away from Assam, somewhere in South India, and there are people who didn't know or who don't know the place Diffu, then you can simply say, I live in Diffu near Dimapur. Okay, but Dimapur is a well-known place, so they may know them. Oh yes, Dimapur, they'll say. Okay, so if it is not well-known, then you have to say near. Hmm? So here, this is London is a famous city. Directly, you can say, I live in London. Okay, I live in London, or I live in Wimbledon. Okay, this is a famous town in England. So I live in Wimbledon. I live in Paris because this is the name of a famous city. So you can directly say, I live in Paris. Or I live in Spain. The country also is famous. So you say, I live in Spain. So this is how you say, I live in London. I live in Wimbledon. I live in Paris. I live in Spain. Okay. And you can say, I live in Diffu, or I live in Karbi, or I live in Assam, or I live in India. Okay. So this is how you say, I live in London. London, the Latin red, that is the name of the place. Hulak er hangmangke adima menlo. Okay, any place you can say this way. I live in London. I live in name of the city or town. I live in Diffu. I live in Wimbledon. Okay, I live in Paris. I live in Paris. I live in Spain. Okay, so you may try this. Okay. First, listen and say after me, okay? Listen and repeat. I live in London. Okay,
I live in London.
London. Okay, this is La. Okay, London. Okay, though O
London.
is there, it is pronounced as La. London. Okay, donc ông đông tâm cái London because the real pronunciation is London. Okay, I live in London.
London.
Okay, I live in Wimbledon. Say
I
after
live in London.
Wimbledon. Okay. I live in Paris.
I live in Paris.
Paris. Paris.
Paris.
Hmm,
Paris.
hmm. I live in
I,
Spain.
I live in Spain.
Okay. Okay, now I live in.
London.
Okay. Now try this. If you live in a village, but if the village is not known, okay, suppose you live in Manja, but if Manja is well not known, then but people know Manja, you can say, I live near Diffu. Okay. You have to mention the name of the place which is famous, which is well known. People monitum chini lo adim chitangdo men mang sin nung jenang po. Okay, but the village is not known, Jong say wrong, Jingrum or whatever it may be, if some kind of name is there, but it's not famous, then you say, I live near Brighton. That means this person live in area not far from Brighton, name of another city, a town, but not famous. Okay, that village is not known. People don't know. So you have to say, nang lason na putak pulute, nang lason lo pulute, nang lirong chitang uilang pulute. You have to say, I live near Diffu, somewhere like Manja or Hapjan or okay, whatever places which is not known to some people from outside. Then you need to say, I live near Diffu. Okay, I live near Brighton. So this is how you have to say near means close to someone or some place. Mania dung te bokhet. Mania nania dim te bokhet polote near popo. Kate bok near. Okay, close to someone or some place. Okay, that's the meaning of near. So this is how you say listen and repeat. Okay, you say after me. First listen. I live near Brighton.
I live near Brighton.
I live in Milan. I live not in, I live near Brighton.
I live near Brighton.
I live near Milan.
I live near Milan.
Milan.
Milan. I live near Milan.
Hmm. I live near Manila.
I live near Manila.
I live near Madrid.
I live near Madrid.
Okay, good. So now let's look at this model dialogue like ching people thought long take now. Okay. Where do you live? I live in London. How about you? I live near Brighton. Okay. So listen again. Where do you live? I live in
I
London. Okay. First listen once
mm,
more. Like, where do you live? I live in London. How about you? I live near Brighton. Okay. Okay, now
mm,
we'll practice. I'll say the words spoken by A. You say the words spoken by B. Okay, that's you. So I'll say the
mm,
words. Let's try. Okay.
mm.
Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton. Okay. All right. Now you say the words spoken by A.
Mm. Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live near Brighton.
Yeah, I live near Brighton. Okay, good. So where do you live? Practice speaking drill. Easy wet. Along your sentences, we're going to repeat. This will help us to speak fluently. Okay. So here, practice one will be on this line. Where do you live? That's what I put. Then practice two, bangke. I live in London. Then practice three is I live near Brighton. Okay, we'll practice. Then dialogue one will be we'll practice role A. Dialogue 2 will be again, we will practice role B, and dialogue 3 will be again practice role A with some words missing. Okay, gap fill. Let's try. Okay, let's practice on
Mm,
this line. Where do you live? 4 times we're going to practice. Okay, so you
mm.
say, okay, first I'll say, then you say, where do you live?
I live in London.
No, you say the same line là so bang le putin cái charlie so line mà là certain
Oh,
sentence mà rồi thôi.
sorry.
Okay.
Uh,
Where do you live?
where do you live?
Okay. Once more. Ako putot putuna. Where do you live?
Where do you live?
Okay. Now try. Gap fill.
Where do you live?
Mm. Where do you live? Okay. Where do you live? All right. We'll practice now. I live in London. This line. Okay. I live in London. Practice. Speak
I live in London.
once more. I live in
I
London.
li- sorry.
Yes. Say.
I live in London.
Okay. Now fill up the blank.
I live in Wimbledon.
Wim-
Wimbledon.
Wimbledon. Mm.
I live in Wimbledon.
Okay. I live in Wimbledon. Try this.
I live in Paris.
I live in Paris. Okay. Paris. Okay. I live
Paris.
in Paris. Try this.
I live in Spain.
I live in Spain. Okay, good. Now this.
I live in London.
I live in London. Okay. I live in London. Okay.
I
All right.
live in London.
Okay. Great effort. Now we'll practice. That's our lamjir or sentence lecture. I live near Brighton. Okay. Okay. You
Uh,
repeat. Okay. I live near Brighton. Speak
I live near Brighton.
once more. I live near Brighton.
I live near Brighton.
Okay. Now gap fill this.
I live near Milan.
I live near Milan. Gap fill this.
I live near Manila.
I live near Manila. Gap fill this.
I live near Mad- Maritana.
Madrid.
Madrid. Madrid.
Near. Put
I live
near.
in Madrid.
Mm.
Mm. I
Near.
live near Madrid.
Mm. Near Madrid. Okay. I live near Madrid. Okay. I
I
live
live near
near Madrid.
I live near Madrid.
Okay.
I live near Brighton.
Yes. I live near Brighton. Okay. Okay. Now practice role. Okay. These are the words. There's some gap there. You have to fill up the gap. Okay. I'll speak the words spoken by B, but A, the words spoken by A, there are some words missing. You have to fill up the gap. Okay, try. You.
Where do you live?
I live in London. Where do you live? I live in London. How about you?
I live in
No.
Brighton.
I live near. Okay. Here,
Oh,
Brighton. Okay. Okay.
I live near Brighton.
Yeah. Open the channel la so things. What do you live? Or what? I'm sorry. Where do you what? Not what. It should be where. Where do you live? Not what do you live. Okay. Anyway. Okay. Once more. Now you speak the word spoken by B. Okay. I'll speak the word spoken by A. Where do you live?
I live in London. How about you?
I live. I live in London. How about you? I live near Brighton. Okay. Let's practice this again. More words missing.
Where
Try.
do you live?
Where do you live? I live in London. How about you?
I'm near Brighton.
I live.
I live near Brighton.
I live near
Sorry.
Brighton. Okay.
I live near Brighton.
I live near Brighton. You can say I live near. Okay. I
I
live near
live near
Brighton.
Brighton.
Mm.
I live near Brighton.
Okay. I near live. I live near Brighton. There's some mistake there. Okay. Now this is lesson 3 of personal information. So when people go on Chinky Bomb Chinky Molom Polo Tanke, they will start sharing their phone number. When you talk phone number, hey people. So they'll ask here, okay, personal information. What's your phone number? Okay, this is the title of this lesson. Lam Thipi, a title banglo. What's your phone number? Okay. What's your phone number? What's your phone number? Okay. So let's practice this model dialogue. What's your phone number? My phone numbers. My phone numbers. My phone number is. But you don't have to say is. You simply say my phone numbers. Okay. 01042885679. Okay. So my phone numbers, my phone number is. No need to say it that way. Is putain anelo. You have to say my phone numbers 01042885679. Okay. What's your number? It's my number putain anelo. It's 01098067732. Okay, so this is how you can say 7732. Okay, now in England, some people may not say zero. when they tell about the phone number, pin your phone number, company lesson, the thand of the open ke, oh, popo. O pull the number, O pull it like a zero pansi popo. Okay, that means they mean zero. Okay, but in US, all right, they will say zero, but in the UK, in England, for phone number, they say O for zero. Okay? So they may say my phone's numbers 010 4288 5679. So when people say the phone number and when they say O in England, it means it is zero. Okay, it's zero. Zero pansi budam lo. So live phone number jital no put there. So hud alang litum O put at the high. Zero alar. Okay. So here my phone numbers 010 4288 put a chalk. You can say 88 or you can say double eight. Okay. 010 4288 5679. What's your number? It's 010 9806 7732. Okay. Okay. Now we'll practice on this line. What's your phone number? Okay. What's your phone number? Okay. So this what's, then you say your phone number. It means your phone number means it's your telephone number. Okay. What's your telephone? So phone means your telephone number. Okay. What's your telephone number? Okay. Now this we say mobile number. That means it is the cell number. Okay. Cell phone number. What's your, so in UK they say mobile. Okay. Mobile. That is in UK, England alone. Sita America long bangke mobile pupelo. They say cell phone number, the cell number. They say mobile. When they say mobile pulo like a mobile phone pansipul la so number. Nangli mobile phone number pansipul tamlo. That's say the England long bangla tumke. The US long mate America long bangla lang litumke mobile pupelo alang lita mange cell phone number po cell phone po ti siverlo sita alam amen si pregdaklo. So in UK it is mobile number, or it means mobile phone number. Mobile phone po pwede tahay sa mobile po la soft phone pansi po mobile phone number pansi po damlo. US long mange cell number, cell po cell po lage cell phone po hada mange mobile phone pange cell phone po si po lo sita UK laban India long kapag po adat long mange mobile phone po lo. So see the difference, okay? So what's your number? Like chini number, like jepo jepiang bong. What's number? This casual. Let's say what's your number? That means what's your cell number or what's your mobile number? It means what's your number pulote nang le mo no mobile number pilo mate nang le cell number pilo ko pilo po pansibutamlo. Okay, that's the meaning. Okay, so listen and repeat. What's your phone number? Okay. What's your phone number? What's your number? Okay. Okay. So you say this after me. Okay. First you listen and then you say, what's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
What's your number?
What's your number?
The meaning is same. Pudami siverlo sita komane chini pikpe tampan ke. What's your phone number? Sita metang chichini lor lapen pan jirpo jirpiason bolote. Simply you can say, what's your number? Okay. What's your number? All right. Then this is how you practice. My phone number's 010 4288 5679. Okay. You say, see, my phone number is, okay. My phone number is Popansi. My phone numbers. Okay. So number plus is becomes numbers. Okay. My phone numbers. My phone number's 010 4288 5679. That's the meaning. Okay. So see, they say zero or they say O for zero. Okay. They may say O, but they may say zero, zero. but they may say O also as given there. One is one. Okay, you know this. Okay. So they say for double it, they can say it, or they say we can say double it. See, hini double it, double it. Cái thom double it, triple it, double. Okay? Triple, double it, triple. But cái thom nó double but cái hini, double it. Okay? Double it, double it, triple it, double it. Okay, so listen and repeat. We'll try this. My phone number's 01042885679. Okay, so
Mm.
you say this, Christina.
My phone number 01042885679.
My phone numbers, okay, S will be there. My phone numbers 01042885679.
My phone number is my phone numbers.
Hmm.
My phone numbers 01042885679.
Okay, good. It's 01098067732. Say this.
It's 010980677732.
Zero. Okay. A G Z Z 0109806. Okay. 10 minutes and okay. Okay. 7732. Right. Okay. Now we'll listen again once more. We'll go back. We'll do this model dialogue once more. What's your phone number? Okay, some A asks, what's your phone number? My phone number's 01042885679. What's your number? It's 01098067732. Okay. So now, okay, we'll practice this. Okay.
Yes.
You say the words spoken by B. I'll say the words spoken by A. You take the role of B. I'll take the role of A. Role A nungje alam thesin nile nungje po nangli B dak B kupi mag nungje lale nungje ignite. So what's your phone number?
My phone number's 010428855679. What's your number?
It's 01098067732. Okay. Now you try this.
What's your phone number?
My phone number's 01042887679. What's your number?
It's 010980677732.
Yes. Okay. So now we'll practice this speaking drill. Là phong đi phong thầm phong phi rồi lộp lộp tên năng lý là quảng bố yo tăng lại đề lại hơi ta si dopo. Okay. Become yeah, okay. So we'll try this. What's your number? You say this. What's
What's
your
your
number?
number?
Mm.
What's your number?
Okay.
What's your number?
Okay. Now fill it. Fill the gap. What's your number?
What's your number?
Again.
What's your number?
Okay. What's your number? Okay. All right. Okay. Now some people may say not number. They may simply say what's your number? It means. But some people may say What's your phone number? Okay, even this sentence we are going to practice 4 times. Okay, let's try this. You say after this, what's your phone number?
What's your phone number?
Once more. What's your phone number?
What,
Say.
what's your phone number?
Okay. Now gap fill this. Fill up the blank.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number? Once more.
What's your phone number?
What's your phone number? Okay. All right.
Mm.
Now we'll try this line again. My phone numbers 010, sorry. My phone numbers 010 4288 5679. Okay. Or you can say 887679. Okay. So you say after me. My phone numbers 010 4288 5679. Say this.
My phone number 01042885679.
Okay. My phone numbers. Okay. Numbers. Okay.
Number.
Okay. Okay. Once more. My phone numbers 010 4288 5679. Say now.
My phone numbers 01042885679.
Okay. Again. Now try. In the same way, but some words are missing here.
My phone number 01042885679.
Okay. My phone numbers. Okay. My phone numbers 010 4288 5679. Okay. My phone numbers. Okay. Now try again.
My phone numbers
Mm.
01042885679.
Okay. Good. Now we'll practice labang. It's 010 9806 7732. Okay. You say after me. I'm going to repeat. I'm going to say, and then you say after me. It's 010 9806 7732. Now your turn, Nang Lilo. Nang Nung Jinang po.
It's 01098067732.
Good. Okay. Is 01098067732. Once more. Bùi thang ako ng pong.
It's it's 01098067732.
Wait, huh? Again.
It's uh, it's 01098067732.
Okay. It's 010 9806 7732. Once more.
It's 01098067732.
32. Okay, good. Now let's practice this. Okay, we'll practice a little, 1 or 2 minutes left. We can try this. Okay. You speak the words, you gap fill those words. You have to gap fill adak abidatlo labang nangli thap nang po na penong je thonang po. Okay, so you try this. You try this.
What's your number?
My phone numbers. Okay, you can say phone number. Okay, my phone numbers. Okay. What's your phone number? Okay, try once more.
What's your phone number?
My phone numbers 010 4288 5679. What's your number?
It's 01098062232.
7732. Okay, good. Now we'll practice role B. We'll practice role B. The words. We'll practice the words spoken by B. Okay. So A will be my role, and you take role B. What's your phone number?
My phone number 01042885679. What's your phone number?
What's your
What's
number?
your number?
Mm. The first
Yes,
one
sorry,
will have
what's your
phone. Okay. Yeah. My phone number's 01042885679. What's your number? Okay. Then it's 01098067732. Okay. Okay. Now practice role A. Okay. This time you say the words spoken by A. Okay. Try this.
What's your phone number? Oh, sorry.
It's okay. Yes. Chok lo lang. Okay. There's a little mistake here. Wait. Okay, here's a little mistake. You should come up here. Anyway, say the word spoken by A. A bằng. Kinong y bằng nang jing na. What? What's your phone number? Okay. Okay, then there's no more time. We'll continue tomorrow, Christina.
Yes,
Okay. Well, there's a little mistake here. Anyway. Okay, then thank you so much.
thank you, sir. You're
Thank you.
welcome.
Thank you.